It's not solid, but it will be.
He actually does have a world record for this.
Oh my
It's
god.
slightly unofficial, but he's the only one who can do it, so we think he has a world record.
Can you solve a Rubik's Cube while you juggle, Ravi?
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh my goodness.
Personally, to me, I always just think he's messing it up, but somehow it always works.
Yeah.
That's
So-
crazy.
You know what you should do? You should start a Rubik's Cube juggling competition, and you can be the only one in it, so you can
Yep.
say that I am the best.
I think you'll be the only one who can ever qualify for something like that, huh?
Yeah,
That's true.
you could have like a qualifying round and everything.
Yep.
You're the only one.
Holy shit, he really is on his way.
If you're timing this, it's only been like 2 seconds.
I think it's only 3 or 4 right
But
now.
we can fast forward the video.
Yeah, perfect. Great.
It's like magic.
What's up? You're going. Why?
Oh my.
Bad.
Go, Ravi! Whoa.
I can't tell if one side is solved or if like every single side is like almost solved.
Right now it looks like none of it has.
Wait, there's like a lot of white there. Oh wait, now there's not.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Didn't you do? Yeah, you have the video of it to your core, right?
Yeah.
You do 2 Rubik's Cubes at the same time, or now?
Oh my god.